people come.
Is it? Welcome back, Logang. We have been going.
Wait, this is my first time here.
Yay! It's 7 in the morning, but yay! We've been going. Oh. We've been going in circles for.
Oh, someone's behind you now.
We've been going in circles for. Whoa. For a good while now. We were stalking people looking for parties. Where the fuck does this road go? What in the hell?
It's a dead.
Oh, where are we?
Park.
What the fuck? We're very lost.
Just a little.
We were following people to parties. Oh, they're getting up to go to a party. we found this really they're so
big.
Big
so why are they so
Whoa! Party? We saw these kids bringing twisted tea into a house.
Yes.
We debated it for a moment.
We thought.
Did I have a stop sign? I didn't see one.
No. You never have a stop.
Okay. Did we just go over a bridge?
No clue where we are.
Where the fuck are we?
I'm just gonna enjoy the ride.
Anyways, we followed these people through the
through the nip.
The rich neighborhood, but then they disappeared, and there was no party.
Nope.
So
yeah. Like,
are these apartments? Are we back at the stop sign? When did we go downhill?
Hey, Queen. Give us a second, Queen.
Whoa! Bus driver!
Queen.
Bus driver!
I'm so confused.
Bus driver!
People not
I've almost been run into 2 times! Bus driver! Stay on the road! How did we get back here? How did we get back here?
Oh.
Hey.
Truck?
No.
We saw a mysterious old truck go into rich neighborhood, and we lost. Old truck can't live there.
Yeah, no way. We think they vanished after we hit a tree and blacked out for 4 hours.
Yeah, we hit a tree.
So
yeah, I don't know how that happened.
I don't know who did that. I don't know who was driving when that happened, but
it
wasn't me.
But yeah.
I think we go left again.
Yeah, we need to find party.
Because there's gotta be. It's like mind blowing how no one's having a party.
It's like pitch black outside. Like
no one.
No one's celebrating Christmas even still.
And everyone's cars are still in their driveway. Like they're not even going anywhere. Guys, it's New Year's Eve. The party.
Need to celebrate. I say we go up there.
Yep, I'm going. Yep. And we're just gonna. Yep, and then
we'll take it slow.
Yep. Oh!
Oh, Betty.
Oh gosh. Betty
skinny. Betty squeeze.
Betty squeeze. I don't think we're gonna make it through that. I'm gonna be so honest.
Squeeze, Betty.
Guys, do we know how to park on the road?
Wait.
I'm so scared.
I don't know if you could see that.
We're like 2 centimeters away from every single car. Guys! Okay, that really tested me.
That was good. We did that.
And yet there was no party for that.
No party?
Did we just...
Are you kidding me?
Where the fuck are we?
We were just here.
Were we?
We
didn't pass that house. Did we? I'm going
I don't know where we are.
We also saw a trunk that was just open.
Oh yeah, trunk open.
Just left.
It's okay.
We should have climbed in it.
We should have sat there and waited.
Oh, party?
Party?
That's a party.
Party.
We've been here, haven't we?
Is this party block? No?
Where are we?
Well,
I think we went on the curb. I have no idea where that road went, actually. Oh, there it is.
the road closes.
It was gone. Ah!
Oh.
Guys!
Oh my god. party time.
It can't be.
No.
So many people. Where party? Is there like a party map? Let's get the party map up.
Yeah.
What?
Party.com.
There was also this weird ass fucking neighborhood that all had the same blow up guy. It was so freaky. Didn't we go this way? We passed them.
No.
Yes.
No. No. No.
No.
Where is this?
What?
Gilmore Girl Bungalow. Is this real? Is this real? I feel like I'm high.
It's like a one wheel just going past us casually. The trunk! Trunk! We made it back to the trunk. Trunk! How did we get here? Trunk! And then straight to the party? To party. I remember you.
You.
And you.
Yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Right.
Right?
I'm like really confused.
Yeah.
Yes! Yes! I'm gonna show you the party house. If we can fucking find it. Because it's like one of 3 houses.
Yeah, we don't know which one it is. Wait.
Let's turn out the lights.
Wait. One of these.
Because we can't tell because they all have 2 people in the parking.
That one, it has to be.
Oh, it is. Oh!
Oh, that was really awkward. I just did a really close up of myself.
Anyways, I say we should crash it. I don't think they'll let us in. Turned on.
Oh.
Turn it back on. We're going
What?
down the skinny.
Oh, we're gonna show you skinny? Oh, and just take this in?
Just take this in.
And then take this in.
I'm scared! My mom said the Aurora Borealis would be out tonight.
Really?
That's what she said.
It's a little cloudy though.
That's what I say.
No, don't hit the curb here. It gets a little skinny.
The skinny. I didn't hit it last time. I say we should go fucking crash that party. Where?
Turn. Truck is... Truck?
They're gonna know my car. Guys,
Why?
it's not even midnight.
Why?
It's not even midnight. Why leave?
Why?
Why leave?
Why?
Also, why were they dressed up like it was like homecoming or something? Did you see
Yeah.
that?
Why are we going down skinny again?
Because how else am I supposed to get back?
This thing is so
I love how you just turn the corner. That's all you see.
think go around. Like keep going.
Why?
Because snowmen down there, I'm pretty sure.
The wavy ones?
Yeah.
No. What? No, that's back up in the higher.
I don't want to go there. Okay, so I say we do another lap.
No. Why'd they leave? Why'd they leave?
Oh.
Did it get crashed or something? Everyone's leaving.
We were about to
Well,
crash.
we were, but they don't need to know that.
We found one party.
Looks pretty good. I wanted that twisted tea. We turn?
Yeah.
Yes. I turn now. Oh, that was the curb.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, we're on the curb.
Well, oopsies.
Oh. How funny was that?
Yeah, a single party. Looked like it was okay. They looked like sophomores though.
In high school?
Yeah. Did you see them?
Those ones. Yeah. High school party.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye to our freaky guy last time. we were here.
Freaky guy. You can't just say freaky guy and leave it at that.
We will demonstrate later what freaky guy was doing. Whoa.
Yeah. Did our parties just start? Guys, it's 10. When do New Year's Eve parties start?
I thought they start and by New Year's Eve. by 12 you have date and leave with date, you know?
Yes.
I thought that was point of
Is
New
it-
Year's party.
Yes. Is it not?
Let us know, guys.
Let us know in the comments down below. Super life.
Oh, there was a kid sitting on the stairwell there, by the way.
Where? I can't see anything.
He's in that house.
Oh, hey, Queen. Okay, I parked here. Like, how is there not?
And there's no one at slides. Oh, we can turn this back.
There's no one at slides, and there's no one at slides, and there's no one at Central.
Yeah,
Well, that's not true.
well, there was one car at
There
Central.
was one car.
One car.
They were at the bottom of the thing. No party. Guys, I feel like there should be more party. Maybe I should just throw a party next time.
Yeah. I say, what if we do it? Ooh.
Hey.
Uh,
We're going.
oh,
Speedy speed.
fast.
You say what?
Public post on Slides and Squiggles. It's a party at Slides.
Party and slide!
Yeah.
Yay! 27.
Toddy.
27.
27.
27! Yeah.
Yay!
Oh. Why you turn light off? My battery!
Why is the light blinking in there?
What light? What are you looking at? We really got it packed up in here.
Give us a minute.
You wanna see the back? Wow! Look at the stash! Oh gosh. We'll come back to you.
You got little sprinkles. Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back.
There was a fire behind us.
Should we drive by slowly?
Wait, why can I not? We end video, start new one. Back camera with flash.
Yes.
In
God.
0.5.
Okay.
Get it started. Wait, where is it? Ah. Ah. Oh.
We're gonna look back at this. I feel like I saw lightning over there.
Well, so I think
Oh.
it may be fireworks.
Oh my god, that's actually crazy. I didn't think of that one.
This is a little,
Can you see the tears in my eyes?
it's a little windy, it's a little cold.
We look fucking crazy.
And there's also like a house right behind us, and we are shining a light right at them. Should we turn to the other side of the table? Get up.
Ugh. Shift.
Shifting. Shifting. Now they just have a front row seat. Now they
Yes.
just see us. But that's okay. Wait, it's a farm.
I think we're gonna build it. I was originally planning for this to be in the dark because I thought that would be funnier,
Well, we can turn the light off.
but I fear they would not be able to see anything.
Oh.
And our audience.
Our audience.
Our audience. Why did they just go to party now, guys? Crack it open! Oh! She's going fucking crazy.
Oh wait, we need to film Yay Wise.
Oh, you're so sorry.
Sorry about that, guys.
We've lost it.
Wait, which way does it look better? This way or this way?
I don't know.
I think this way.
Okay. I think you just want the bright light on me. Oh, they're looking at us.
I shine it right at them? We're not. We're not doing this. Why are they coming over here? I want you to follow them. Why are they fucking coming over here? Do they not have like a sense of fear? What if we chase them? Can we chase them? Chase them?
Hi, we're gonna do fireworks on the table. Do you
Oh.
want to see that?
Sure.
Okay.
A big one? Yes! Maybe grab it all off. Is it okay if we videotape it?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it in, put it in. Okay.
They don't care about anything. They were like, oh, actually, if they want to, like,
Absolutely, we want to watch. Okay. Yeah, we have candy if you want it. We get a live firework. This is a favorite dream. Oh my god. I could tell them. Please do. When are we getting this? What is it? I'm so confused. We have to see Papa. Look at just Papa coming over. Oh my god. You're shining this right at me. I can't see. Oh my god. It'll just be like this. Oh. Oh, you look interesting with that light. You do too. Look, actually. Oh wait, I need to film this way. We should get them to subscribe to the channel that doesn't exist. Isn't Chloe's YouTube channel that she's posting on? Oh my god.
I don't think they're public though.
Let's start building. Well, wait. What do you... It's wet.
Oh. Whatever.
Oh. We're getting like a whole family show. They know it's not. It's Martinelli.
I don't know. So are we gonna sit on the ground when we have to eat the grapes?
Yeah. Let's step to the side.
What if my blanket catches on?
We can hold it all.
no, they're gonna.
No, we were just up here eating. Sorry. No, it's okay. No, we're gonna watch. It's okay.
Did you hear the one we did on the other side of the house a minute ago?
Yeah.
Yes, we did. We did.
You could see it?
Just like a little bit.
Just
from,
like a
the
little
side.
fireworky from the side, I think.
We might want to go down here. Is it that big one? Like what? Really big? That big to go down there? I think it's
It goes up.
sky big.
Here's
no, I thought
from up here.
I can't. Should I turn the light off?
It's definitely wet. I don't know what it is.
This is self-recording.
Is it just me? So if we do that, we do have to eat. Like,
It's
both lunch or
I'm gonna turn the light off. It feels weird with the flashlight on. So we got invited to watch to watch a firework at the table. You can't see us because we turned the light off, but I fear we're gonna die. It's a firework. It can't be like too bad, I feel like.
We're gonna walk down there, ladies.
Okay.
When you set it off?
Yeah, because like this.
Oh, we'll go down there too. Is our fireworks legal up here? Because they're not legal in London. Oh. Did they find it? Yes. Oh oh. Was that it? Are they legal in Issaquah? I think so. But there's like none going off. Well, because it's not fucking midnight. I'm lighting another one. Oh. Is this a fever dream? Like, what's going on? I'm sorry. There's so much going on. My fingers are going numb. Yeah, it's a little cold. Ooh. I love the smell of fireworks.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a freak. They smell like death.
Was that another one, or are we dead?
I think.
Oh.
Run, Papa. That was a wicked one. Did you see? It was great. Did you see?
Who was that?
I don't know.
Huh.
We don't want the cops to get called, so.
Oh, just a couple every. Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Maybe we can come back in an hour and do a couple more.
Oh, it's a bunny.
Bunny?
Poor
Oh, we woke him up?
Oh.
Sorry, Bunny. There was a bunny.
Poor bunny.
Okay.
Right, let's go.
Thanks for the show, guys. I'm gonna turn the light back on. So we just had a fireworks show, as you guys just saw. And then they said, we're gonna leave because we don't want the cops called on us. But we're actually gonna be here, so I don't know how that's gonna work, but well.
Wait, who did that?
Who did that? Fingerprints, Sam. Fingerprints.
Are the kids coming back up?
Wait, we have video proof.
Yeah.
It wasn't us.
It wasn't us.
Imagine the cops pull up right away.
What is that?
They see our flashlight. Well, time to.
So I'm guessing it's not legal then?
Yeah. I guess not. That's actually so sad.
They just do it?
Fireworks are so fun. We literally sell them at Target, do we not?
Those are like firecrackers.
Oh. I was gonna say, do we not sell it?
Oh my god, it's so cool.
Okay, those are such chill parents.
No, yeah, they literally
They
just...
literally were like, okay, girls, we're just gonna walk away when we set them up. And then they're like, we're gonna go. We don't want the cops called on us. Like,
we're just gonna head out.
Like, what do you...
What?
Oh, okay.
Like, okay.
Like, we're in the middle of building a gingerbread house and they just show up with fire.
Show up.
With their, like, bombs. Fireworks.
Oh, that was...
Yeah, that's part of it.
Like, how did that get me? What? It's the cow.
The cow.
I think we use this as blood. Okay, what are we going for here? Are we actually making a nice fun, or are
No.
I think we should kill the cow and the pig. We have the blood.
And the knife.
Oh! It wants you to ice the things first before putting them up. I still don't know what the black is for. Oh, for fun? What?
Nothing.
Do you see someone?
No.
Okay. Why are you looking off in the distance?
Just thinking.
What?
Future me, you know, new year, new me. I need to try more.
Try murder. Wait. Do you want to make the red?
No. You murdered me already.
I already killed you. Are they plastic?
Yeah, that's plastic. You look at it.
It does come with 2 piping bags. Yep.
They're right there.
Oh! Where was it?
Where?
Where is it?
I didn't see it.
Oh, 1, 2. Yes.
Yeah. I thought it was four.
We have corners in the roofs. I wonder how fucking crazy we look up here just with the bright light and nothing else.
Probably really crazy, I'm gonna be honest.
Well, that's okay. It's not like they know us. It's not like we come up here frequently. Did you open it?
No.
Oh, there's...
So she may have died.
What do you mean?
Huh? Wait.
Progress update.
Oh. She doesn't want the fucking flash on, I guess.
You can still... It's so zoomed in.
I have something on my hand.
You can't see anything. Oh my god.
And then there's that, and then I don't know.
You can kind of see it.
Like, but like AF
AF.
Animal Farm, and then look, we have Piggy here, Napoleon, and then we have the cow.
Who the fuck is Napoleon? Camera. Updates coming soon, guys.